Hey guys, what's up? So Xiaomi has announced two new handsets in China, the Mi 10 Ultra and the Redmi K30 Ultra. We'll be talking about the Mi 10 Ultra in this video, and in my opinion this is one of the best devices to hit the market in 2020. It starts at just 5,299 yuan, which is close to 57,000 Indian rupees, and for that price the phone packs some really nice specs. It has got a 120x AI Super Zoom, 120 watts fast wired charging and a 120Hz curved Super AMOLED display. The phone packs in some great cameras as well, with a 48 megapixel custom primary camera that is capable of 8K video recording along with HDR10 support. It has got both OIS and EIS, so the footage is gonna be very stable. It also has an 8P lens, so the images captured should be really sharp. The phone also has the 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 sitting behind that 120x periscope lens, capable of the same 8K video recording possible through the main camera. It also has both OIS and EIS to capture blur-free shots as well as stable videos. The other two sensors include the 20 megapixel ultra-wide with a 128-degree field of view that also doubles up as a macro camera and can focus on subjects as close as 2.5 centimeters. The last sensor is a 12 megapixel telephoto camera that has a 50mm focal length, which should be useful for capturing portrait shots. The Mi 10 Ultra has the most complete camera setup in my opinion, and it also gets the highest DxOMark rating for any phone for both photos as well as videos. Now another exciting feature is the Mi 10 Ultra has 120 watts fast wired charging along with the 4500 mAh battery, which is kind of an okay size, but the 120 watt charger should be able to charge it from 0 to 100% in just 23 minutes. What's even crazy is that 5 minutes of charge will give you 41% of battery, which is just insane. It also gets 50 watts of fast wireless charging, which is again a first for a smartphone, and 10 watts of reverse wireless charging. The phone has an amazing display as well. It gets a 6.67-inch curved OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, which is like the 2020 standard, and a 240Hz touch sampling rate. It is a 10-bit color display, meaning it can show over a billion colors, and it comes with HDR10 Plus certification. The phone also has a MEMC chip just like the OnePlus 8 Pro. Now it's got something interesting as well, with two ambient light sensors, one on the front and the other on the back, for a more precise auto brightness. The screen has got 4096 levels of brightness, which is like the highest on any phone. The Mi 10 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 865 SoC and not the latest 865 Plus, but that doesn't matter as it gets the highest AnTuTu score of 660,000. It also has the latest LPDDR5 RAM along with the UFS 3.1 storage. It will be offered in 8128, 8256, 12256 and 16512GB variants starting at 57,000 rupees, which is really nice pricing. The phone also has stereo speakers which should enhance the gaming and multimedia viewing experience. Talking about gaming, it also gets Game Turbo 4.0, which offers customizations for the GPU along with frame rate, resolution and more. You also get a game trial mode which downloads the game on a high-speed memory cache, increasing the installation and launch speed of the game by 40 to 60%. And you can even delete the game instantly after trial, freeing up the memory and leaving no fragmented files. So this seems like one of the most complete and well-rounded packages that Xiaomi is offering at a great price of $760, and this really puts the Galaxy Note 20 to shame with its $1,000 price tag. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Smash the like button if you liked the video and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech videos. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.